1 minute microwave cookie. Let's start with melting the butter. To this, we're going to add brown sugar and a dash of milk. Add the dry ingredients, which is flour, baking soda, and salt. Once mixed and combined, you can add chocolate chips or chocolate pieces. Fold the dough and use your hands to shape it into a cookie and press it down. Place it on a parchment paper and add more chocolate chips if you like. We are now ready to microwave it for 1 minute. Cook your cookie for exactly 1 to 1.5 minutes. Do not overcook your cookie. The cookie will come out soft. Let it cool for 5 minutes and voila, your amazing 1 minute microwave cookie is ready.